Welcome back to Tech by Pike. We're taking a first look at the Red Magic 8 Pro smartphone slash gaming phone. And I know this has been out for several months. It was released in November 2022, and people didn't start actually receiving them until about February 2023. We finally got ours a couple weeks ago, and so we decided to make a video out of it. We're going to go ahead and review it, unbox it, and then take a look at the phone itself and do a little gaming on it. First though, let's go over the specs. Comes with 5G, Wi-Fi 7 compatibility. It also has a 6.8 Full HD AMOLED screen at 120 Hz refresh rate, and the peak brightness on this can get up to 1300 nits. It also comes with a 960 Hz touch sampling rate for multi-fingers. It's a touch screen, and then under display fingerprint sensor and 16 megapixel under display camera. This gaming phone comes with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 clocking in at nearly 3.2 gigahertz. Has LPDDR5X, 12 gigs of RAM, and 256 gigs of storage, 6000 mAh battery, and has quick charging up to 65 watts. It has shoulder trigger buttons at 520 Hz, touch sampling rate, and then it has upgraded from previous version front and back cameras, and I'll put those specs up on the screen here in just a moment. Like I said, we're going to unbox it, we're going to go over thoroughly on the phone, and then we're going to turn it on and check out a little bit of gaming. Let's get into it. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox it. There we go. It gives us some specs here as well. Okay. I really like the silver packaging. Start guide, warranty card, and it looks like a phone protector, like the back end of it fits in here. Okay. Dump it out. The tab itself had ripped off. Looks like we got Red Magic Facebook, global website, TikTok, and Twitter. Before we open the phone here, let's go ahead and check out the cable. See how long it is. It's not bad. Pretty decent. And then we got our 65 watt charger, I believe they said. Yep. Great. USB-C. Move that off to the side. Now let's check out the phone. Before we move forward in turning this thing on, let's take a look at the exterior of the Red Magic Pro. From what I understand, on the screen here, right around in this area, there's a fingerprint scanner for easy access to the phone itself. We'll start on the left-hand side. Looks like we have some venting here. Don't know if you can see that or not. And then we have a volume rocker right here. And then if we move down to the bottom here, we have our card tray here if we want to set this up with a service provider. You have your USB-C here for charging, and then it looks like this is a microphone. I thought maybe it was a mini SD card slot at first, but it's too small, just a little bit too small. So over on the right hand side, you'll see some more venting. We're going to move down. Here's the power button. And then right here, we have ourselves a, I think it's called the Game Boost mode. So it's this button right here, it's red. And you can switch it back and forth, I guess, to give the phone a little bit of boost while playing games. So we'll have to check that out after we power it on and get some games installed on this. So if we move up to the top here, we have a noise canceling or noise reduction mic, and then we have right here a headphone jack. We got our cameras here, and then nice little logo right here, I like that. And then I guess that is it. So the next thing for us to do is to turn it on. First I want to take a look at this, see if this is worth having on here. I don't like that at all. Not very sturdy either. Boy, that feels like it'd easily break. May have to buy something else, some other case. Anyway, okay, let's turn it on. So we're downloading Genshin Impact, and the fans are on high, and this thing is getting really hot. We're talking 38 to 40.2 Celsius, and the fans right here, they're just really hot to the touch, right around the surface here, and on the screen and the edges. It's getting really hot. So anyway, something to consider. We're going to continue to download a couple games, and we'll check those out on this phone. All right, now that we've set up the phone and performed some patching, we're going to go ahead and go back. I mentioned this little red slider button here while we were looking at the exterior of the phone, so we're going to do that real quick. Slide it over. We're going to enter the Red Magic Gaming Console, and I already have Genshin Impact installed, but you can add other games. This kind of helps keep your games organized, but also it helps with tweaking some of the performance of the phone based on which game you're playing. And Genshin Impact is one of the ones that I was playing. So let's jump over there and check out a little gameplay. A little laggy there, but there's a lot going on in the screen here. Playing a little Madden Football 2023. So at the beginning of the video, after we had unboxed this phone, this case that I just put on came with it, and I'm not really fond of it. So I went ahead and got a couple here, and I want to see which one looks better. This guy is kind of a pre-case specifically for the Red Magic 8 Pro. It's kind of a soft neoprene. Let's go ahead and check it out here. Went on pretty easily. I like that a lot. I'll need to get a screen protector for it, but that is not bad. The phone itself costs around 800 bucks without tax. This case right here costs about 15 bucks. I'm going to take this off though. I got another one to check out. Can't see it very well, but this is a jelly case, comes with a screen protector. I won't worry about the screen protector at the moment. We just want to check out the case. It's a clear. It's not bad. More difficult to get your phone in, but fits perfectly. I don't know, I like this one too. I think maybe I'm a little more partial to the black one just because it matches the color of the phone, but the clear case is definitely a runner-up here. I kind of like it. Which one's more durable? I think black one might be a little more durable. I think I'm going to go ahead and go with the black one, but if I change my mind, I have this just in case. That's it for this video. We're going to go ahead and do a little more performance testing on the phone, and we'll bring that video to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this from Tech by Pike, hit the subscribe button. We appreciate it. It helps the channel. Not only that, it gives us an opportunity to bring more videos like this to you. And for that, we thank you. We'll see you in the next one.